Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. We've got you covered on all G's happening in the ultimate love part. Bolanle acted immature amidst Arnold love moment with his ex. Friday night came and Aunty, in her usual way, brought in an ex-girlfriend of no other love guest than Arnold. Arnold was caught off balance as his ex-girlfriend, Yetunde, made appearance on the show. Aunty made an unexpected revelation that got viewers conclude that Arnold is in love with his former lover. As a matter of fact, social media users concluded that Arnold never broke up with Yetunde before coming for the show. Most of the moments suggest they are romantically connected with each other. Arnold even referred Bolanle as his tax in the house, which could mean that he's only acting script with her. In all that, Yetunde never made mention of Bolanle all through their conversation. But for Bolanle, she was very immature. She was even pouring water on the glass at some point. And to think she asked Teresa to go stand in front of the glass last week when Ike's ex came, but Teresa refused. Okay guys, what do you think about what happened last night when Arnold's ex-girlfriend came to the love part? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.